In the early months of 1975, Saigon would fall, Watergate would start to wrap up, and according to prosecutors, this man, Robert Meyer, would kill an innocent 17-year-old on her way to visit a friend. For 36 years, Dorothy Adams has waited to learn who may have killed her third of 5 children, daughter Karen, a junior at Eastland Vocational School who wanted to be a lab technician.
I have a strong belief in God, and I knew one way or the other he was going to have to pay for what he did.
She left home March 9th of that year, and her body was found raped and murdered and dumped in a ditch the next day. Last year, her case, the oldest cold case in the Franklin County Sheriff's Office, was reopened, and his DNA was found in her clothing. It took more than a year of research. Meyer, now 70, has a lengthy criminal record.
Yes, Your Honor, 1958 assault, 1963 murder, 1977 abduction and rape, and in 1962 robbery out of Florida.
Since getting out in 2001, he has apparently been clean and living in this apartment complex in Cincinnati. This week, a Cincinnati TV station spoke to his live-in girlfriend about the charges.
Anything's possible. I know he's been in jail before. He done 38 years.
But he had never done time for this crime. Karen's sister Lori was only 12 years old at the time her big sister was murdered.
It's not a relief. It'll never be a relief because she's gone. So how could it be a relief? So, I mean, you want revenge, but, you know, there's not much else you can do.
In less than a year and a half, the mother, Dorothy, would see another daughter die, killed by a drunken driver. Within 2 years, she and her husband, the girl's father, would divorce, and she says the stress of what happened was a factor. Still, at this point in her life, she may seek closure that she never doubted would eventually come.
Through faith, and I never gave up hope, and I knew someday that one way or the other there would be justice. She was never out of my thoughts.
In Columbus, I'm Bowersock, NBC4.